Hey, it's Fuzzy back here, you guys. All right, Club Cadet RZT-SX. Now, this is the four-wheel, two-wheel drive that's got the steering wheel, okay? Now, it's not about the mower, it's about the mower blades, all right? Um, I found something really, really interesting, and it includes Amazon and my dealer, okay? Um, Set of blades at the dealer, and I can prove it to you if you want, but that's private stuff. I'm not going to get into that. $93, okay, for a set of blades. All right. So basically, it's these two blades, two of them for 93 bucks. Amazon, 53. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull a blade off. I just put those blades on from the dealer on the machine, and we're going to pull one off, and we're going to do some measurements to make sure that these ones off Amazon are the same width, same depth, same everything, and we'll see how that goes. These are the two-pack 924-04308. Okay, now I imagine these fit all kinds of different mowers. This is only the two blade mower, 42 inch. So imagine you can get different sizes, whatever. But what I'm trying to make the example here is it's half the price on Amazon. All right. So that just tells you that the dealers are probably buying them from Amazon and selling them for $93. So I don't know. All right, let's see, take one off and see what the measurements are and make sure they fit. So I just got these and we're gonna check it out. Okay, so you can see these are brand new, and that's the number right there. All right, that's what the dealer put on them or whatever. That's where I'm gonna say the OEM that they carry. Okay, now you can see I haven't even sharpened them yet, and they're still fairly good and sharp. I don't need to really replace them, but I wanted to do this video and show you guys this. Okay, now we're gonna take the measure out here and see if they're basically the same or whatever, right? Let's take one out here. Okay, now you can see the appearance. Now there's definitely some difference in this blade. Now to me, right now, this blade looks heavier than the dealer blade, okay? You can see that the angle of this is different than this one. It seems like it's got more metal in it. Let's do some measurements here. Okay, so let's measure the middle and see what that brings. Okay, the dealer is 6.4 centimeters. All right, and the Amazon product is 6.7 centimeters. All right, so now I think right there that if you folded this out, you could probably be the same. But I'll tell you what, the weight of this is less than this. I can feel it already. All right. Okay, the size of this blade here is 6.8 centimeters. And this one is 6.4 centimeters. So already this blade is narrower than the Amazon bought blade. Okay, now I mean, it all depends on what kind of metal this is made out of. It could be made out of cheaper metal. They just put more in it. I don't know. All right, now thickness. Let's just go to the back side of this blade and see what that's going to bring us. Okay, that's 0.4 of a centimeter. And this is 0.3 of a centimeter. Okay, so now you've got 1 millimeter that's less on this blade than the other blade. And I like I said before, this feels heavier. But when I was farming, you get cultivator shovels from cheap, but they wore way faster than the more expensive ones that were built with better steel. Okay. Now, I'm not saying this is the case. We're going to give this a shot over the season and see how it works for half the price. even if I got 2/3 of the length of time that this goes, even I'm going to save, 25 bucks, right? Um, that's just a little insight for me. But we're going to see how that goes and go from there. Anyway, that's my insight on the new blades for that number. And what I've noticed is the middle mount is perfect, okay? But these two holes are different, okay? Um, the newer blade from Amazon is wider than the OEM. Well, I don't know if it's OEM because these aren't the original blades that came with the mower itself. But that number is these are narrower. So if you're buying some blade for your particular machine and it's got these two holes as support holes, make sure that these are the same. Okay, the ones off Amazon are inside to inside, and I'll give you this if you need this information. What are they? Inside to inside is 6.6 centimeters. Okay. So that gives you that. And then the old one or the OEM stuff is 5.7 centimeters. Okay. So darn near a centimeter difference between the two holes there. But the center hole is perfect. So it's going to fit my machine. All right. Anyways, there you go. I wanted to give you guys that insight, and make sure you subscribe and like and all that kind of stuff. I'm always out here trying to make you guys, um, uh, you know, give you some good information and so on and so forth that I find and go from there. But all in all, take care.